The following operator training video is for the Hobart FT1000e Low Energy Series Flight Type Dish Machine. Auto Delime when equipped. The Auto Delime cycle is designed to provide your machine with a custom delime schedule based on machine usage and your local water conditions. To perform the Auto Delime procedure, complete the following steps. When the display prompts Delime Recommended, refer to the Programming section of your operating manual when ready to initiate the delime cycle. Navigate to the Actions menu and scroll down to Run Delime Cycle. Press the Enter key. The display will briefly read, "Press Stop key at any time to abort delime cycle," before proceeding to the next step. Place delime pump hose in delime solution. Press Enter when done. Place the hose from the delime chemical pump located at the unload end of the machine into the delime solution container. Press Enter when done. Open all tank drains. Leave all drains open. Open all tank drains located at the bottom of each tank. Clean strainer baskets, then replace. Press Enter when done. Tanks draining, please wait. The tanks will continue to drain before moving on to the next step. Close master drain. Close the master drain located at either the load or the unload end of the machine. Tanks filling, please wait. Pour delime into tank 1. Press Enter when done. The display prompts the user to pour a certain amount of delime solution into tank 1, labeled in green. Pour solution into tank, close doors, and press Enter. The amount of delime solution the user will be prompted to pour into tank 1 is dependent upon the custom delime schedule designed for the machine. Delime cycle running. Approximate time left. At this time, the machine is completing the delime cycle. At this time, no additional user intervention is required. The machine will be ready to begin normal operation or will automatically shut down after the cycle is complete. Auto Delime complete. Press Enter key to refill. Otherwise, machine will power down in 5 minutes. If the operator does not press any key, the machine will power down after the set amount of time designated by the Energy Saver mode, which is adjustable in the Manager menu of the controls. To complete the steps to begin operation once the Auto Delime cycle has ended, press Enter on the control keypad display as prompted. The machine will display the following. Open master drain. After refilling the machine or powering the machine back up from a power down, open the master drain located at either the load or unload end of the machine. Close tank drains. Close all tank drains located at the bottom of each tank. Pressing the back button at any time during the Auto Delime process will cancel the cycle. If the delime solution has not yet been introduced into the system, the display will read, "Tanks rinsed and ready for wash." Press Enter to refill, or machine will power down in 5 minutes. If the delime solution has been introduced into the system, the display will read, "Delime solution in tanks." Press Enter key to drain and rinse tanks. This has been the operator training video for the Hobart FT1000e Series Flight Type Dish Machine. If you have further questions, consult your operation manual. Visit our website at www.hobartcorp.com or contact your Hobart representative.